In this video, you will learn how to send money on MoneyGram. First, create an account or log in. Visit the MoneyGram website or open the MoneyGram app, then log in or create a new account. Start a new money transfer. Choose the option to send money and select your destination country. Enter the amount. Specify how much money you want to send and choose the currency if applicable. Choose how much the receiver will get the money. Options usually include bank deposit, mobile wallet or cash pickup. Provide the receiver details. Enter the recipient's full name, contact information as required. Select your payment plan. You can pay using your credit card, debit card, bank transfer or cash at any MoneyGram location. Review and confirm. Double check all the details, including fees and exchange rates, then confirm the transaction. Get the reference number. Once the transfer is complete, you shall receive a reference or tracking number to share with the recipient. Now you know how to send money on MoneyGram in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.